Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a canvas size that matches your final output. A 16:9 layout is common for screens. Next, upload your images or pick one from Canva's library and drag it onto the canvas so you can see composition instantly. Add a text box, choose a clear font and an initial size, and position it where it balances with your image. This first pass sets hierarchy and spacing, so make quick adjustments now before refining style or alignment. Once your elements are placed, refine alignment using grids, rulers, and snapping. This keeps text and image edges consistent. If the text competes with the photo, apply a subtle overlay, reduce image brightness, or add a soft blur to increase contrast. These tweaks make words legible without losing visual impact. Choose one bold font for headings and one neutral font for body text. Then set sizes so headings command attention and body copy remains easy to scan. To finish, export with settings suited to your use case: PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPG for photos, or PDF for print quality, and preview the final file at actual size. Make sure text remains readable on phones and desktops by zooming to different scales. Adjust font weight or spacing if needed. If something goes wrong, such as unreadable text, increase contrast, add a subtle outline, or move the text onto a solid color block. This final check prevents surprises after sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.